Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Welcome to this new video on Dogecoin, in which I, wanted to do a full update on Dogecoin, of course. But I also wanted to talk about a trade I have in mind. I'll share it with you for free. If you want the full details on how I'm taking this trade, consider joining the Signals group. But that's up to you. All right, it's a great group to be in. To be fair, we're profitable. We're a great community as well. But I'll talk about it in here as well, right? I'm not going to gatekeep the trade. But right, we'll talk about Dogecoin in general. I mean, Dogecoin has been on my watch list quite a bit. What you could see in general is that meme coins right now are actually quite weak. You can see on the very lowest in the last couple of hours are Mew, Whiff, Pepe, Bonk, Boom. Relatively bullish. Dogecoin is actually still holding up relatively well. Dogecoin is actually just moving very similar, a little bit weaker than Bitcoin, but very similar to Bitcoin, which is a great thing, of course. And that's also an opportunity. All right, meme coins were very, very strong last week, especially before that. Dogecoin was already forming a bullish structure, and this weekend also we got another pump somewhere. But that's interesting because if the meme coin narrative, I think that is going to continue into October, or at least somewhere in October. And what we had, and this is also what we talked about the last time I covered Dogecoin, what we did, and for that I am going to switch back to the daily time frame, is with the momentum from last week, we were able to break above a significant level right here between 12 cents and 11.5 cents. Now, purely structurally, I think that's an important level. I mean, you can see historically, maybe it goes a little bit further down towards like 11.4 cents. But structurally, this level, like usually this has been the level. Like if we break down below that, we're going to be bearish. If we can actually break above that, we can have some more bullish momentum. Break down below that, bearish consolidation / accumulation. And now we broke above that with momentum. We broke above that, if I remember correctly, with volume, which is also very, very important. Which, yes, we did. I mean, the volume for Dogecoin got up to $1.5 billion. So that's great to see as well. So I don't think that we're going to fail to hold this level. All right. Historically, usually when we break above that, we also at least initially hold it, which you can see here as well. We kind of had a spike down in March as well. So that's, in my eyes, the buy opportunity. This area right here between 12 cents. 12 cents is maybe a little bit high, but between 12 cents, excuse the clock in the background, that's going to continue for a little bit longer. So ignore it. But this level right here, I do think that we'll see a bounce from there. The only scenario is that if Bitcoin right now is pulling back a bit here, if Bitcoin pulls back much, much lower, for whatever reason, war in the Middle East, recession fears, then there's an opportunity that this was a fake out. But that's not most likely. I think it's most likely the fundamentals for Bitcoin and the crypto markets are still great, so that we can actually have a solid reaction from this level. I personally will wait for some sort of a strong bounce first before getting in, because like I said, from 12 cents all the way down to 11.4 cents is quite a big area. So I'd like to see the exact bottom first and then long or buy into that a little bit later. But ultimately, that is what I expect. All right. So finding support here, maybe consolidate a little bit here on top of that support, but ultimately getting to that next price target around 14 cents is what I expect in a continuation of that bounce. And that's what I think you need to know. Great opportunity in my eyes. Do wait for that confirmation. And like I said, if Bitcoin gets very bearish here, then it might be best to skip it. For now, it still looks like a great opportunity. I'll try to keep you updated on this. If you really want to know my entry, etc., consider joining the Signal group. But that's up to you. You don't need to. I'll try to keep you updated on that regardless. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.